Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to view the status of accounting period changes in NetSuite. Don't forget please to subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials, and let's get started. So first I will go to Setup, Accounting, Manage GL that you see here, and then I will select Manage Accounting Periods, submenu Status. So here you will see different batches. Unfortunately, I don't have it in this demo environment, but the different statuses that you can see in the right-hand side column are complete when the process has finished, processing when the process is currently running, pending when the process is queued to run, and deferred when the process is delayed, and the final one, failed when the process did not complete successfully. If you do find this video helpful, please like it and visit coleno.com for more tools and information to enhance your accounting processes. By following these steps, you can effectively monitor the status of accounting period changes in NetSuite. Thank you for watching.